Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raya and my YouTube channel is Raya_Home44. Today I am going to be unboxing this Circulon 13 hard anodized cookware set, 13 piece. We got this, actually my husband and I and my sister and my brother-in-law, we went to pallet surplus liquidation here in our area. We got a pallet of different stuff, but this is one of the items inside the pallet. So I have been we've been looking for some cookware set to replace what we have right now. There's nothing wrong with what we have right now, but you know, sometimes a good backup that you can purchase for less is good. So we bought this as part of the whole pallet and it's in good price. So I am going to be unboxing it and showing it to you what is inside this 13-piece hard anodized cookware set. So as I have mentioned at the beginning of the video, this was part of the pallet that we bought from surplus liquidation here in our area. But if you are interested in getting this exact same cookware set, it is available in Amazon, and the original price right now at this filming, it's $257.95. I am an Amazon associate. It won't cost you any extra if you use my link. I am going to be linking in the description box down below for this particular cookware set. It won't cost you any extra, but it would rather help me make a little bit of commission and make more videos such as this. But I'll be linking that link in the description box down below. But one of the questions that I actually wondered when I saw anodized cookware set. So I look it up, and a hard anodized aluminum or cookware has undergone a chemical process to oxidize the cooking surface of the pan so it's more durable, non-stick, and it doesn't discolor your food. So three major things that you would like in a cookware: it's not gonna discolor your food, it's non-stick, so it's easier to maintain and long-lasting, and it's easier to wash. But anyway, there are so like I said, I've looked it up in Amazon. The major things or features that, and also by the way, I like the color. I haven't seen it in person, but it looks like it's rose gold, and it's one of my favorite color these days. And I think it's everyone's favorite, one of their favorite colors. But it is oven safe and induction ready. It's also dishwasher safe. I guess I'm gonna be showing you what's inside so we can talk more about this. So in the flap over here on the other side, there is a summary of the contents of this box, and I will be using that as a guide as to what's inside in this box. So I guess we're gonna take it all out first. Ooh, I like that color. So this is the guide that I was talking about earlier. So there's 1.9 covered straining saucepan, 4.7 liter covered saute with helper handle, and then there's a covered straining saucepan, and then there's a 21.5 cm skillet, covered straining saucepan 2.8 liter, and then a 25.4 cm skillet, and then there's this one, the 7.5 liter covered stock pot, and then finally the 30.4 cm skillet. So here goes the details of what's inside. So this is the 0.9 liter covered straining saucepan. So there is a strainer like right there. That's one. And this is the 1.8 liter. Also has a strainer right there, and it has a lid. And then this is the 2.8 liter covered straining. All of the lids have straining capability. And then the next one is this one right here, the biggest pot, which is called the 7.5 pound covered saucepan. I think there's no straining on this one. This is good for cooking like linat ang baboy or linat ang bukog nga baboy in Filipino, where you cook some soup. And then the other one right here is called the 4.7 liter covered saute with helper handle, which is this one. This is the helper handle when you're trying to remove. And then this lid, later I'm going to show you, can be used to the other skillet. But this one is the 2.5, not 2.5, but 21.5 cm skillet. And then the next one is the 25.4 cm skillet. And then finally the 30.4 skillet. So they were supposed to have 13 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are definitely 13 pieces, but as I was saying earlier, the lids over here can be used to the skillets if you're cooking something that you need a lid and you don't want to splatter, to the bigger one. Right there, you can use that. And then the smaller, this one right here, you can use the lid with a 25.4 cm skillet right here. You can use that for this one. So that is it, guys. I hope you find this unboxing video for the Circulon 13-piece hard anodized cookware set. As I said in the beginning of the video, the link is in the description box down below. I have arranged it over here so you can see the actual, or kind of like you'll have an idea what is the actual size of the skillet and the pots. But this is where they are right now. I really like the color. I think it's good, but if you're willing to purchase it at the original price, you can look it up by yourself, and it's available on Amazon. But if you want to use my link, the link is in the description box down below. I hope you find this video helpful. And I'm going to say thank you to my current subscribers. I am originally from the Philippines. Sa mga Bisaya Nagasigyog tanaw sa akong mga YouTube videos. Daghan-daghan kayong salamat sa pagsiyog tanaw sa akong mga YouTube videos sa mga Tagalog. Maraming salamat sa parating panonood ng mga YouTube videos ko. And to all the subscribers and viewers all around the world and here in the United States, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to hit like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ray_Home for 4. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye!